In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Facebook lead ads to Hubspot in just a few minutes. This quick integration makes capturing and managing leads effortless. Start by heading over to the Hubspot homepage. If you're not logged in yet, click the Login button at the top right and enter your credentials. Once you're inside, you'll land on your Hubspot dashboard. Now look for the Marketplace icon in the top navigation bar. It looks like a small shop. Click on it, then go to Apps. This is where you'll find all the integrations available for Hubspot. In the search bar, type Facebook ads. From the results, select Meta Ads, which is the app that connects your Facebook lead ads to Hubspot. Click on it, then hit Install App. Follow the on-screen instructions and make sure you're logged into the right Facebook account with the proper permissions. Once connected, your Facebook leads will flow directly into Hubspot. That means smoother campaign management, easier follow-ups, and no missed opportunities. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Facebook lead ads with Hubspot. Thanks for watching.